y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my car. Let's go shopping inside Walmart. I was here last week, I'm pretty sure, in a vlog. This specific location has the Kacey, Musgraves, and Lee collab. Well, they have a few things. I don't know what the entire collection looks like, but the things that I saw looked really cute. So we're going to try those things on. And then just in true Taren fashion, we will peruse everything else in the plus size section and try on a few things. Hopefully there's summer things, bright things, though it is disgusting. It has been for days. It will be for the next week and a half. And it makes me sad because it's the first day of summer break. And I feel like you want that like summery, beachy, like I had beach plans. I didn't get to go. If you watched my Lands in Swimsuit Saturday, I mentioned if you're watching this on Saturday, I'm at a new beach. I was not, in fact, at a new beach. So I'm looking for sunny weather in clothes today. I will do my very best to link everything for you in the description box down below. My measurements are there as well. Any questions you have, drop them in the comment section. I will do my very best to answer them. Let's go shopping. This rain jacket is coming with me. Even though it's not raining right now, it's like 90% chance of rain all day long in the forecast. All right, we're gonna do this section first. These pants are new. These weren't here the day they matched that jacket. They weren't here the other day when I was here, but I loved this dress. I feel like the pattern is very 90s for some reason. Oh, they also have a red gingham. So we'll see what sizes they do. In jeans, we may not be able to try these, but this dress is also really pretty. Oh, there's pockets. I'm gonna pull an extra, extra large in everything. I like this print a little bit better than the gingham, so I'm gonna try this one. Oh, there's adjustable straps. I see a 14 in the jeans. I see an 18. Oh, these are cool. Okay, wait. That's kind of fun. These are on sale for 33 bucks. High-rise flare. Middle of nowhere club. That's cute, a little crop tee. I'll try this on for y'all in an extra, extra large. I wasn't born in '88, but at least you can see the fit. Do I spot a matching set? Scoop brand. This Walmart carries all the brands, and I love that for me. We're gonna do an extra, extra large top. Hopefully this is not a maxi skirt. Oh, it's not. Okay, but it is a little bit longer. These little sets are cool too if you're looking for like business, but fun. I'm pretty sure these are shorts. Yeah, like a longer Bermuda short. That top is cool. We can't forget these shorts. I saw them also in that vlog. Didn't try them on, but I'm also here for these. They say butter core on the tag. If I can find it for you. And these are the softest material, $8.98. So let's try. Does Athletic Works run big or small? Let's try the extra large. I can always come back for more if I love them. Now on to free assembly. I think these are cute. I don't know if I love that it's short sleeve, but it is hot outside. So they have this American flag sailboat, and then this catch of the day is cute. Maybe we'll take one of these to try with those jeans. Jessica Simpson brand. This is so early 2000s. It's so cute. If it was my size, I would get it. Definitely grabbing this dress. I love how cinched it is in the waist, and then it's a little nautical print on it. It's like a chambray material. I do like this set as well, though I discovered this is just a skirt. There's not shorts built in, but while I'm here, I might as well, right? Oh no, okay, we'll take the extra large. I think I like this one better than the catch of the day, so I'm gonna switch them out. They also have this one here, which is like a little short sleeve cardigan, and these are charms. Like little dangle bits. I'm obsessed with this. I think this is so cute. Oh, and look how cool the back is. So it ties, oh, there's two straps. Okay, so you can pull one tighter to tighten, and the other one has a little adjustable bit on it, but I like all that smocking. This is very different. I like the cuff jeans, the pattern, almost like painter's style pants, and then the little vest that matches. We can try. These are a 16. In my experience, free assembly, like this is 16 regular, not 16 plus. So it might not work, but we might as well try. This store also carries Time and True. This is fun. The little bib style comes in several, well, black and then this print. This is cute too, over a swimsuit, even with these bright orange shorts. I'm waiting on a fitting room. I did pull a couple of things from the No Boundaries brand. It's a juniors plus-ish. I got the extra, extra large, so I think this is an extra large. So that might not work, but this is adorable, and it's a romper. I thought it was a dress. I love all the bright colors. And then I do have an anniversary trip coming up, and that could be cute for dinner one night. Oh, and then this orange one, I'm just rambling while I wait, would be really cute just over a swimsuit to walk to the pool. Disregard the socks. But this is the first piece, that No Boundaries romper. It's very cute, but I'm way too tall for it. Like, I can't even pull this up to show you because it is, you know what I mean? But had this been a little bit longer, or had they had a tall version, I would wear it over a swimsuit. I think it's a little bit short even though there are built-in shorts. Like, it's a little bit short for me to wear as a romper, but I love the colors. I think this size is the right size. Again, if it were a little bit longer, I've pulled the straps or adjusted them to the furthest length so that it's the tallest option available. But if you're looking for something summery and pretty and fun and comfortable and you're 5'6" or under, then this could be really good. Here's a close-up of the detail. So it's a triangle here, this is smocking, and then this is very flowy at the bottom. The tip of the shorts do have the same pattern, but the rest is white. This is very cute. I need to look at the tag and see how she's wearing it. It's like slightly off shoulder, but I thought if you wanted to wear a regular bra, I wanted to see if I could wear a regular bra with it, and I can. I love the colors of this. It is lined. I love the length. This is very like date night summery. This is in a size extra large. It is slightly short in the bag. I would just wear shorts with it, and then maybe that would give me a little bit of shapewear compression here. But I think this is really, like, this is a contender. Here's what it looks like from the back, just so you can see it. I guess it feels shorter than it really is. I think this size is perfect. I could actually size down because it is meant to be a little fitted. Last No Boundaries piece in a size extra, extra large. I love the orange. I like this style. It kind of reminds me of like a towel that you snap around you to get ready, but I thought this could be cute over a swimsuit. You know, you can see the swimsuit straps. I don't know if I love it for that. If I needed something to get ready in, again, the color is really pretty. There's no pockets or anything. These little straps are adjustable. I have things that I like a little bit better as swimsuit cover-ups. I like the color. So maybe I can look for something else in this color because I do think this is really pretty and summery. Let's move on to free assembly. Unfortunately, this set is not going to work. I guess the top works. Top is in a size extra large. Bottoms are in a size 16 straight size. I like the style of them, obviously, but they're just not going to work. This is fun too. I mean, it is pulling a little bit there. This could be cute with, oh my gosh, I have a sticker on me. No idea where that's from. Some kind of denim on the bottom with this on the top. I like the green stripe. Size extra large. I think I could size down in this too because this is just so stretchy. I like the double strap. I feel like it gives it a little bit of character. Again, I love this like point detail here. The length of this is really nice. I would wear this over a swimsuit for sure. I wish that this style was in that bright orange color. This is very comfortable. It's very Memorial Day, 4th of July feeling with the red, white, and blue. Overall, a really cute, easy to style summer dress, like flip-flops, sneakers over a swimsuit. I think that this is a fun detail that it flares out at the bottom. I like that. Size extra, extra large. I think that this one's too small. You can see these buttons pulling here, and I'm pretty sure this is the largest size that they carry. I don't think, maybe online Free Assembly does proper plus size, because the extra extra large is their straight size, just sized up. So I think that I would need a size up, but I think this is so cute. I love the print here. It is a semi, you know what, it's not really that stretchy. It's these strings right here, or the ties on the buttons that are stretchy, but I think that this silhouette is so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's shoulder pads. Wow, the length is good. There are pockets. It's like a chambray, maybe a slightly heavier chambray material, but I liked the print. Again, the nautical sailboat anchor. What else do we have? Is that it? Over and over again. What's the red? Just a little star, a little flower, but the buttons do go all the way down. This one is fun. I knew that I would like it just based off the silhouette, and I feel like how it sits here looks really nice. Then we have this little set, Free Assembly extra large skirt, extra extra large top. Remember, this is the skirt that doesn't have shorts or anything underneath it, but I think that the length is good. I would just wear bike shorts underneath. Both pieces are a chambray material, so there's pockets, paper bag, elastic style skirt, and then the top has this elastic bit all the way around the bottom. I think I need a size down. As much as I love a matching set, okay, we know that, I don't know if I love this. Like this top I think could be so cute, so I may grab just the top. I think the skirt's throwing me off because there's not shorts and I'm more of a skirt type person, but if there's a matching set, I'm trying it on. I also have another matching set to show you next. Before I take the skirt off, let me throw this top on because it's the only bottoms that I think that would match that I have in here with me. Extra extra large. I love this. I think this is so summery, but like Maine feeling. I guess it's the lobster. I love sweaters that have this rolled neck here. Feels less claustrophobic than like a turtleneck. I was just looking at J. Crew's website at sweaters like this, like long sleeve for the fall, these roll neck sweaters. Easy, $98, $128. So I feel like this is I mean, it's not long sleeves, okay? But I feel like free assembly could be a good option if you're looking for something like that, and I do like this. I think this was the only thing I pulled from the brand Scoop. Both pieces are in a size extra, extra large. I love that it's an exact match. We already know that. I don't know if I love it together. I like the top for sure. The skirt I think is a little bit long for my personal preference, but I like that it's lined. I like that there are pockets. There's no shorts or anything built in, but the length is fine. Like you could easily wear bike shorts or shape shorts, whatever you like underneath, but it is giving like Free People vibes. I like the lacy square neck detail of the top, this lace see-through type detail here. It's slightly striped if you look really close. Also came in black, right? If I'm remembering correctly. Also, I'm wearing a regular bra, so there's always bonus points for that, but I think this is a no. Moving on to the Kacey and Lee collab, size extra, extra large. There is smocking in the back, but even with that, these buttons are still pulling. I'd say this extra, extra large is like a large or an extra large in straight sizes, so I think that the sizing is a little bit small. It's also a little bit short, but it is lined and there are little pockets here. I love the cut of this dress. Had it been a larger size or a size that fit me, like it looked a little bit better, I would get it, because I think that this is so 90s in the cutest way, like this with cowboy boots. Absolutely, I love. I even like this detail, even though it's not meant to be buttoned. When I go online to grab links for y'all, if this comes in a proper plus size, I will grab it because I think that this is adorable. Same size, this one fits like a proper extra, extra large, I would say. I like the smocking here. This little tie detail here I think is cute. It doesn't actually tie though, it's just a fun little feature because the straps are adjustable in the back. No pockets on this one, but it is lined. Dare I say I like the other one, like the other style and print a little bit better, though this is the one that caught my attention. I know the fit on this one is better, but imagine the blue one in the proper fit. This is nice though. There's elastic everywhere, under the arm, on the bust. You've got the smocking, the length just above the knee. I'm between 5'8" and 5'9". Unfortunately, these jeans do not fit, but I really did like them. They're a flare style. I liked this detail, but when I unbuttoned them, okay, first of all, love the red Lee on the back, and then look how cute on the inside. The pockets are stars. Last shirt I have from the Kacey and Lee collab. Haven't been early since '88, in a size extra, extra large. This is very comfortable. I don't really wear a lot of camo. Like I would work out in this, but I don't love a drop shoulder. I do like an oversized graphic t-shirt, but we're gonna pass on this. These are those Athletic Works Buttercore shorts. I think I need to size up for sure because I want them loose. Like I'm wearing them around the house to like sleep in. So for sure size up. These are in a size extra large, but they are very soft and I like the thicker band around the waist. I didn't even realize there was pockets. All right, that's a wrap. You've seen everything. I'll see you in the car. Wait, I know I said I would see you in the car, but how cute is this? No Boundaries brand, this red and white striped with the little dog. That is adorable. $19.97. And then I spotted this one down here, which is the same as this one. I feel like they're giving like LL Bean and Lands End, all of those people, a run for their money when it comes to totes because those are both so cute. I'm out empty-handed. I did not purchase anything. Well, I did get a few groceries while I was in there. My favorite thing was the pink No Boundaries dress. Again, our anniversary is coming up. Like I mentioned, we have plans where we're going, but not plans what we're doing while we're there. So I feel like once I figure out what we're doing while we're there, then I'll know better what I need to take. If we're just doing casual things every night, then there's no need for me to get anything like that, but I will link everything down below. Also, as I was walking out, I noticed that there was a very small section of Tara and Sky that I didn't look at, obviously, to try things on. So I think I'm going to do an order online and maybe look for some of those free assembly, was it, things in different sizes. Maybe it was the Kacey brand. Anyway, I want to look and see what different sizes are available in different things that I liked. So maybe we'll do an online order, and in that order I can get Tara and Sky, because I did see a cute magenta, not quite hot pink, more like magenta matching set. All right, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will do my very best and link everything in the description box down below. As I always say, my measurements are there as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.